We do put in a fair value gap, so I'm gonna go for a buy. I'm gonna put my stop loss. Since I have an early entry, which is a bad fucking entry, since I didn't wait for the closure, I'm gonna have my stop loss down there, and I'm gonna target the first unfulfilled 15-minute gap. Oh no, it's all the way up there. Right. Well, after we take this, I'm gonna move to break even. Yes, it's still in there, bro. Yes, yes needs to move. Yes, definitely needs to move. I mean, this trade, I would definitely put in a B, just because we didn't get a market structure shift or a change in the safe delivery on ES. I mean, no big hopes, but us rejecting from this gap right here, this like mini fucking gap, is nice. But again, we need to go above this previous candle. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna become break even in there. That's the unfulfilled gap. Well, so far I don't like the 5 or the 15 or the 30-minute. It's pretty much switching bearish, and I'm not getting that displacement that I want. Definitely not great. Do we have any sort of SMT? I mean, 1007. It's right there. Nah, actually nothing. It's in our trade. But I do think this is quite nice. This is some really nice gonna put this as my side. I do think this right here is becoming a quite nice trade. If ES pushes higher now, we need a push higher on ES. If we do get that push higher on ES, that would be really nice. I would expect this to be manipulation, and from now on we just like go higher on this market maker buy. Hey guys, we're back. So we did take an L in here. We we took a loss right after price like dumped this last dump, right? Prices are like retracing higher. I really like that displacement since like even on the hourly candle is like switching a bit bullish now, right? And I mean, yeah, I'm going one last time for longs. I just do believe because like we're accumulating so much, and like I know we're gonna go for these highs later, and this is like probably the best push we've had since NY Open. We inverse this gap. So what am I looking for if this is actually bullish, right? I'm looking for this inverse fair value gap to hold, right? I would like to see it really hold on like all the time frames. If this holds, right, what am I expecting? I'm expecting this to be a proportion order block and with this being as a breaker, right? Yeah, this actually could be a nice breaker. So what I don't want to see is us like fucking edging this change in the safe delivery. If we keep edging, that's shit. But if we just like close above, that's really good. The edge is really not great, guys. The edge is really bad. So yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, guys. So we're just gonna do a quick recap. On the trades that we took today. So first one was a loss. We had this initial trade right here. We had the change in the safe delivery. Um, I believe we had an SMT going in, right? Let's go see it. Eight. No, actually, we didn't have any SMT, but we did take sell side. We we inverse this gap on ES, and basically we were just displacing higher. I took it the moment I saw this like bearish candle. I was expecting it to play a proportional block along with this supposedly being a bullish breaker, right? So we go higher, and then we just hit stop loss at this, right? After that, what am I seeing? I'm seeing that price is giving me exactly my model. What is that? So we go ahead, we take for the last time sell side. We take sell side, we inverse the gap, we put in a change in safe delivery. I'm pretty sure we took our buy somewhere here after the inverse. I took it right after the inverse. My stop loss was initially here, but then I switched it here. Why did I take it based off the inverse and not the change in safe delivery? Was well, just because the candle was so clean. Immediately when we take this low, we come up this place and close the inverse. So I was like, even when I took this buy, I was really cautious, and I did not want price to come visit this half of the fair value gap. I wanted this fair value gap to stay open at least until we get the change in the safe delivery, right? So exactly what we do, we go ahead, order block, pull back again, boom, boom, and we hit TP. All right, so A plus trade. I'm gonna drill this right after I finish my dinner, and yeah, see you guys in another trade. Take care.